Remodeling interior versus adding an extension, which one is best for you? Pros of remodeling your interiors. Number 1. Customization. Remodeling allows you to tailor your home to your specific needs and preferences. Number 2. Cost and time. Generally, remodeling is quicker and less expensive than adding an extension. Number 3. Minimal disruption. Remodeling typically involves working within the existing structure, minimizing disruption to your daily life. Cons of remodeling your interiors. Number 1. Space limitations. Remodeling may not provide the additional physical space that an extension can offer. Number 2. Compromises. Depending on the existing layout, remodeling may require compromises in terms of design or functionality. Number 3. Planning. Even though remodeling may not require planning permission in some cases, it's important to check local regulations. It's now time to understand the pros and cons of adding an extension. Pros. Number 1. Increased space. An extension provides more room, allowing for additional bedrooms, living areas, or a larger kitchen. Number 2. Property value. A well-designed extension can increase the value of your home. Number 3. Enhanced comfort. An extension can improve overall comfort by providing more spacious and functional areas. Cons of adding an extension. Number 1. Cost and time. Adding an extension is generally more expensive and time-consuming compared to remodeling. Number 2. Planning permission. Depending on the size and location of the extension, obtaining planning permission may be necessary. Number 3. Disruption. The construction process can be disruptive to your daily life, especially if you need to temporarily relocate during the work. Want to learn more? Contact our team of expert architects today.